Alright, so in this video I'm going to go over how I was able to build this app. So I have this Chrome extension. Let me open it. So I have this Chrome extension called TaxMe. So TaxMe is just a tax manager app. It helps you to manage your tax whilst letting you focus on the key things to do. And it does that by blocking you from watching social media or visiting any social media website. So if you check these social media websites here, all of these are going to be blocked and you will not be able to visit until you are done with the task. So let me add a task. So let's say coding. Then you choose a start date. So let's say we are starting from 1 a.m. to 3:30 a.m. Then we add it. So now you can see that we have a pending task. So if I try visiting YouTube or any other website which is listed down here, I will be blocked from doing that. And I built this with Windsurf. So Windsurf was trending over the weekend on x.com and YouTube. So I decided to play around it and came out with this app. So let me try. So let me see. So let's say YouTube. So you can see I try it visiting youtube.com and the app blocked me from doing that because I have a pending task. So if we check the extension, we have a pending task here. That's why we are being blocked from visiting YouTube. So it's saying that we have about 2 hours 30 minutes 26 minutes to finish. So we have to finish this task before we'll be able to do that. So let's assume that we are done. So let me just take it that we are done. So immediately I take that we are done, you see that we are being allowed to visit the website. So basically that's how it works. So in this video I'll go over how to build this Chrome extension using Windsurf. Alright, so to download Windsurf you have to just go to the official website. So let me open Chrome. So you go to Codeium. So Windsurf is developed by Codeium, and if you know of the Codeium extension from VS Code, then you know that it's a good extension, and this is another great product from them. So you can come to Windsurf Codeium website and download Windsurf, and then you can start coding. So just like our previous code, we are going to use the same structure. So you know that most of our projects we start with the instructions, which is the product requirement document. So I adapted this stuff from AIJs, that channel. You can check it out. They're having a lot of great videos there. So this is the interface of Windsurf. It's just like Kesa. So we have, instead of compose and Kesa, with Windsurf we have Cascade, and Cascade is mostly it's like you chatting with your code. And then, so we have this document. I've already generate ChatGTP. So this is everything that we need, the functionality, the features, everything here. So we will supply this to the editor to start building the code. Let's start that. So when you're about coding, we'll make sure that if you want the editor to write or create files for you, you have to switch it to the right side. If not, you can switch it to the which will then be you chatting and inserting the code. But with this, we want the editor to do everything, so we just click on the right. So let's go on. So let's say follow the following. Then let's call so these are old files. So let's call the instruction. So let's call the instruction to follow these instructions to build the Chrome extension. Okay, so now we just submit it. So from here it will just go ahead and analyze the instructions and start generating the files. So it's asking for us to accept this command, so we can just go ahead to just create the folders. So let's accept that. So you can see here 3 folders created according to the file structure in the instructions. Okay, so the manifest tool is created. Okay, so I think Windsurf is done generating all the files. So you can see 7 files, everything generated here. So all we have to do is to accept, and there's explanation of what every file does here. So I think we can just go ahead and accept it. Okay, so we've accepted the files. The next thing we have to do is to install it. So let's go to Chrome, then extension. So if it's your first time developing a Chrome extension, you have to check this developer mode. So let's turn the old one off, the one I demoed at the beginning of the video. Let's turn it off, then go to load unpack. Okay, so we have to browse to the new one. So this is the TaxMe new. So this is what we are currently building. So let's select it. Okay, so that's what is being loaded here. So let's try it by going to extension, and then it's down here. So let's pin it so that it will appear at the top. So that's what we see. Let's open it. Wow, so you see just at one shot it's able to do the UI and everything. So let's test the functionality. So let's add coding tags, and say we started, let's say 1 a.m. maybe 3 a.m. then add. So guys, as you can see, we have it here. So we have the coding tags between these hours, and then we can mark it as complete or deleted. And then we have all the sites that you can block. So all the sites are blocked. So far as we have this pending tags, let's try visiting one social media website, maybe let me go to. So let's see if we will be blocked from visiting YouTube. Alright, so we are being blocked, saying that we should stay focused. You have active tasks to complete, and this is the task. So guys, as you can see, in just one shot, one prompt, we've been able to build an extension, and that's the power of Windsurf. So far as you're able to provide a quality instruction, you are good to go. You can just build one app in few, and I think it's just within 15 minutes or so. Yeah, we've been able to build this Chrome extension. You can package it and submit it to the Chrome extension store. Let's say if we are done with the let me put another task, maybe tomorrow. So let me choose a date. Okay, so we have a date picker. So let's say tomorrow I'll do maybe video editing. Video editing from maybe 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. then I add that. So when I click on tomorrow, so I have a task tomorrow. So guys, it works. It's really works. So as you can see, I have a task tomorrow. Let me go ahead and click on this one. Let's assume that we are done with this particular task. So let's click on, let me refresh it again. Okay, so let's click on complete task. So nothing happens. So let's go back to Windsurf. So when I click on mark complete, nothing happens. So it will go ahead and analyze the issue and then come out with a solution. And one particular feature about Windsurf is that it keeps track of all the changes that both you and the editor has done in the past, so that it will take that into account when making new change. So you can see the change here. Okay, so it's done with the solution. So let me say accept, and then go back to Chrome. Let's try. So let me mark this. So now it's working. So you can see it's completed. So let's try visiting YouTube again. So it's reloading. Okay, so because we were able to complete our task, now we are being allowed to view YouTube. So guys, that's how it works. I'll pause this video here, and then I'll try and build another app and post it. So if you have not subscribed yet, you can subscribe. I'll do more videos on Windsurf. We'll build more complex app with it. But what do you think about Windsurf? I'm also thinking of canceling my Kesa. So Windsurf is $10 and Kesa is $20. So I'm thinking of canceling Kesa because I think Windsurf is more efficient for me. I've been playing along with it over the weekend, and it's cool. So what do you think? Let me see what you think in the comment. Do you prefer Kesa or Windsurf? So see you later.